This is pumpkin spice soap and I'm going to show you how I make it. In this large container I have my oils. Here I'm pouring my lye solution into my oils. I'm going to stick blend until I reach emulsification. I'm going to bring my batter up to a light trace. I'm giving my batter a light stir before I begin to pour. I'm pouring my batter into the cup. Into this I'm going to add an orange mica. The mica that I'm using is Tangerine Dream from Mad Micas. Let's give this a stir to get the color incorporated. I'm going to add a little titanium dioxide just to brighten this color up a little bit. I'm going to give this another stir to get the TD mixed in. And now I'm going to add my fragrance. It smells so good. This is a scent that I purchased from Nature's Garden, and I added a little clove leaf and cinnamon essential oil. I'm going to stir the mica in the soap batter very well. I didn't add fragrance to this portion because I know that the fragrance is going to discolor the soap. Okay, so let's grab a mold and let's start pouring. There's no particular rhyme or reason for this pour. I put more thought and emphasis on how I was going to texture the top of this soap. I'm going to grab a spoon and give this a swirl. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're enjoying the video, and if so, please take a moment and subscribe. I post soap and skincare videos Monday and Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I post random shorts throughout the week, and sometimes on Friday, I'll even post a bonus video. If you have any video ideas, have a video you'd like me to create and post, have a question, or simply want to say hello, let me know in the comments. I'm going to prepare a little gold mica. This is King Tut Mad Mica. It's a beautiful gold. I'm just adding the mica to a little oil, and I'm going to drizzle the mica on top of the soap. I'm going to grab a chopstick and I'm going to give the top a little texture and a little visual interest. I'm going to give the soap a little wiggle and we're done. It's 24 hours later and this is the soap. I steamed the top of the soap to give it a glossy finish. I just love the top of this soap. What do you think? So let's go ahead and get this soap out the mold. Okay, she's out. Here she is. Give me a second to get my table cleaned up a little. Okay, let's grab the soap cutter and let's get this soap cut into bars. Hey, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.